tell those two trees have grown up and covered the gap, but you can barely see between them. I'm sorry, not the gap, the the ridge, the big ridge. Here comes Mother Nature's air conditioning. These trees are no slouch either. Look how big they got. Holy macaroni. Of course, they're much more impressive here in, look at them clouds scudding by. Much more impressive in reality. Look at that cut grass. Little plants burning with that bugger. Ooh. But back to this. Some Mother Nature's AC. You feel it just blowing that humidity out of here. But man, it was so oppressive. It's going to take a while. We'll take it a while. And there's where the tree was. That Penelak cut down. Look what's coming up in its place. There's a dead tree there when I moved in. Alrighty. Mother Nature's AC. Oh, Mother Nature, you give me the chills. Bad about them telephone wires. We're progressed enough. Well, they should be underground by now. Them electric lines. Okay. Say bye, Mr. Flag. Hope he done flipped over on himself. Alrighty, guys. You know, everybody does that with their camera. They say, guys, hey, guys. Okay, guys. Oop.